For people of Taiwan, food is a national obsession. Like we often say, 甲分红地大, which means nothing is greater than eating well.
I've been searching for English recipes for Taiwanese cuisine, and this book is truly a treasure.
We distilled the essential flavors and ingredients down to their core, so anyone can find them in their local markets.
这最好吃的菜，拢甲学起来，后边若是爱吃，家己就会晓煮。
Our motivation stems from a deep-seated desire to honor and preserve authentic taste of Taiwan.
This cookbook has showed me just how easy and delicious it is to cook Taiwanese-inspired dishes. The ingredients are simple, they're healthy, they're easy to find, and the results are just wonderful. I love it.
Taste Taiwan features 66 authentic, time-testing home cooking recipes, ranging from street food to family-style dishes that will absolutely warm your soul.
No matter where I am, Taiwanese food always brings me a comforting sense of home.
Now whenever I want bubble tea, I can just make it on my own. I feel like an expert now.
Taste the real Taiwan in your home kitchen. This book is more than just a reliable cookbook. It's an invitation to explore the unique flavors of Taiwan. This is the taste of Taiwan. This is the story of Taiwan. Join us in sharing Taiwanese food culture and flavors with the world.